Yo, 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 Peep Funkateers. Peep Funkateers of the world unite. Hoo-ah, hoo-ah, hoo-ah. Hoo-ah, hoo-ah, hoo-ah. Yo, Skeeter, what are you doing? Hey, man. Hey there, Funkateers. What's going down? What's up, Funkateers? Yeah, I got these Bootsy shades on. Yeah, I got these Bootsy shades on because, I was in the studio with Bootsy. Yeah, I was in the studio with Bootsy, man. Yeah, I was. Yo, Bootsy. Bootsy ain't here, Skeeter. I know he ain't here, but I was in the studio with him. You was too, Funkster. What are you talking about? What's wrong with you, man? Yeah, it's Funkster's preview, man. This is the first preview for the night. Yeah, on and crack-a-lackin'. Yeah, Funkster been working hard all day, man, on these previews. He even had time to put my shades on. Yeah, you see, I got my Bootsy shades on. Yeah, when it's about Bootsy, man, you gotta have shades on, man. Yeah, but never know, Bootsy. That's how Bootsy says it. Says a little better than that, though. But, what's happening, Peep Funkateers? Man, let me get a little FaceTime. Check out my face. Check out that side. Check out that side. Check out my shades. Let me get a close-up. Woohoo! Shades be rocking. Yeah, baby. Yo, Funkster. What's the name of the previews, man? What's the name of the previews? There Funkster go again, man. Talking without moving my mouth. Hey, Funkster. I keep telling him, Funkateers. I keep telling him, if he be talking and my beat don't be moving, it's gonna look like we in a Japanese movie. Hey, Funkster, we ain't trying to do no Japanese movie. What's wrong with you, man? Get it right. Be quiet, Skeeter, and just do your thing. Hey, I done the thing so hard my glasses came off. Now, look, wait. Look into my, well, you can't see my eyes. Yeah, look into my eyes, if you can see them. Skeeter Bird Funkateer, yeah. Or Funkadelics, or what's my name again, Funkster? Skeeter Bird Funkadelics, you know what your name is. Wait a minute, let me get these glasses. Look at you, man. He's awful. What are you calling awful, Funkster? You don't want to put him on there. They came off, you didn't do it right. What's wrong with you? Funkster's a psycho, man. Psycho Alpha Disco Beta Bio Aqua Fruit Loop. I know it's Dooloop, Funkster, but you're a Fruit Loop. Yeah. But check it out. This Funkster's preview. Previous from this is a tribute to Catfish. This is a tribute to Catfish Collins, man. The one and only up in the sky, up in heaven. Look up in heaven, Funkateers, and let's take a few seconds to pay homage to the mighty Phelps Catfish Collins. We love you, Catfish. Hey, Bootsy, it's you and Catfish in the studio. Peep this out, man. We gonna jam the sucker. Yo, Funkster, where you at? Where you at, Funkster? All right, Skeeter. Woo-hoo-hoo! I'm out of here, y'all. Man, what a bird brain. What a bird brain. Oh, God. Yeah, Funkster here. Coming at you all the way live from P Haven. And we busy. Keeping that funk alive, baby. Yes, it's about that P-Funk. And that boo-hoo-hoo, baby. Bootsy, baby, if you know what I mean. Booing on you. So, Bootsy, what you gonna do? A boo-hoo? Funkster's preview. Yeah, you know, we was at the show last night, jamming the funk. So awesome, man. So inspiring, so uplifting. Man, it just makes you want to give up the funk. And I only want to give up the funk. Man, I'm about ready to jam. You know, this is a studio. This is like an outtake. This is Bootsy. This is the late great Catfish Collins. We love you. We love you, Catfish. Long live the funk and the funk that you gave us. And Bootsy was walking around the studio doing some filming with his personal camera. And he caught Catfish. Some guy named Rick is in the studio. He was jamming this. He was jamming it. We want y'all to check it out. Hey, Bootsy. This preview is on you. And Catfish. It's on you too, baby. Check this out. Hey, Bootsy. Play a little bit. Before we let your brother get off, we want you to play a little bit for the Funkateers of the world. Peep this, y'all.
Some of the fellas while they're in there live, you know what I'm saying? Y'all thought y'all was gonna get me, didn't you? Surprise!
this particular piece here. I had to put a little loop on it, make it longer so we can check it out. This is available at Amazon.com. Go get the ball, baby. Bootsy! Sounds like this brother. Yeah, baby! These great photos taken by my man, William H. Toombs. Catfish. This is dedicated to you, baby. And we love you. Hey, Bootsy. Hey, PEEP FUNKATEE'S. Let's rock this, baby. Give up, baby. Give up, baby.
Right, you're right.
That's my jam right here, baby.
Intro coming up. Right, you're right.
Catfish in the studio.
Intro coming up.
Bootsy on the voice, baby. Cat was jet.
Right, you're right.
Come on, Boo, let's do this.
Intro coming up. Yeah. Yeah. Hey.
Go, dog, go. Busy keeping the funk alive.
Yeah, Rick, where you at? Right. Wait for
You know I had to make this longer.
Yeah.
Check it. Put a little mix on it.
Look at that.
Yeah, smoke it.
Hey, look at that. Hey, look at that.
Bootsy. For your brother Catfish, baby. Catfish, baby.
Yeah, that's it.
Hey, Bootsy, tell him, baby. Tell him.
Oh, give up.
Give up. Give up. Yeah. Loop it, Funkster, loop it. Hey, Bootsy, tell him again. Tell him, baby.
Yeah, that's it.
Bootsy calls this
Oh, give up.
yeah, baby. And give up. Give up. Party, baby. Glory be the funk song.
Yeah,
That
that's
was
it.
funkin' on, baby.
Oh, give up. Give up. Give up.
And when Bootsy throws it down,
You're right.
ain't nothing but a party.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey.
Go, go, go. Catfish calling. We love you, baby. We love this funk you put down. We love the funk you put down, baby. Catfish. Hey, Bootsy, your brother was a stuff, baby. You know it. Play it, Catfish. And Bootsy, I guess he calls this give up. Give up. Right here, baby. Funkster from PA. Giving up the phone. Catfish Collins. Bootsy Collins. Yeah, baby. Roll it. Funkster here. And they want to give up the funk. Roller, baby, roller. Shout out, baby. Hey, Loving Life, yo, where you at? Loving Life, yo, where you at, baby? Here's your boy, baby. And Catfish, Collins, baby. Hey, Bootsy. Hey, Patty. Hey, Frankie Waters. Where you at, baby?
Oh, give up, man.
Hey, Zach.
Give up.
Hey, Zachary, where you at, baby?
Give up, man.
Hey, Mr. Mike Carr, where you at, baby? Giving up the funk, baby. Oh, so nasty, so nasty.
Yep.
It's been Funkster's preview, baby. Bootsy, Phelps, Catfish, Collins. We love you, baby. Forever, for now, and always.